We have an amazing affiliate program. All right, so there are three key ways that you can earn in the EazyBot affiliate rewards plan: annual package sales, software service fees, and SSF matching bonus. Keep in mind the VIP Plus package that we just announced is not yet factored in here. So some of these numbers are going to be even better when we add the VIP Plus. Let's start talking about annual package sales. Now, annual package sales, there's no qualification to get paid on your direct referral. So anybody that you've personally introduced to EazyBot, by the way, when you sign up for an EazyBot account, you're automatically going to get a referral, a unique referral ID. And so you can start sharing and introducing people to EazyBot immediately, no delay. And there is a free membership app that gives you professional tools to be able to do that. Absolutely free again. So no qualification to get paid on people you've personally directly sponsored or their personal sponsors. So you get no qualification on level 1 or level 2. You can see the commissions earned, and this is again advanced and VIP. We haven't even factored in VIP Plus because it's so brand new. So if somebody upgrades to advanced and you've personally introduced them, $60 gets deposited into your EazyBot wallet. The VIP will pay $250. But even better than that, when those people start using EazyBot and start sharing it without any additional qualifications, you're getting an override at 20 and 80 for those upgrades. Now, if you want to get paid further down into your organization as people start sharing it with others, it does have some qualifications. 3 sales will open up level 3, 4 will open up level 4, and so forth, all the way through level 10. So you can get paid through 10 levels of your organization. So I'm going to give you an example of what this could look like. This is just the math behind what this could look like. So we're going to take the VIP upgrades, for example. We're going to say that you've got 4 people that you have personally introduced that have upgraded to VIP. So we know that pays a $250 commission. So those 4 people times 250 will pay you $1,000. That's the math. We're going to take that math and we're going to expand that out all the way through 10 levels. So on level 2, those 4 people have duplicated your effort, and they also have introduced 4 people that have upgraded to VIP. If we follow this example all the way out through 10 levels, if this built out perfectly, then that represents $7,266,000 in earning potential. Now, we know we don't live in a perfect world, and although this is possible, this perfect example might not be your experience. So we want to give you an idea of what happens if 90% of this didn't happen. What if 90% of this example, of the people in this example, just weren't interested in sharing it with others? Guys, you're still looking at a potential of $726,615. It's just 10% of this example we're giving you. And even at 1%, guys, the key here is just get the ball rolling. Even 1% still represents over $72,000 in earning potential. Don't have to do it tomorrow, but you do want to get started if you want to take advantage of this. The other side gives us the advanced sales breakdowns, and you can see those numbers there. The second way that you get paid is through something called SSF commissions. We've talked a number of times already about SSF fees. That is the fee that EazyBot charges for every trade that's closed. We do pay through 20 levels on SSF. Now, the reason why that number 10 is so important is that if you get 10 people, if you have 10 people that you've personally sponsored that upgrade to an advanced or VIP, you've now accomplished qualifying for all 20 levels of SSF commissions. You can see here that the commission percentage varies based on where those people fall in your organization: 5% through levels 1 through 5, 4%, 6 through 10, 1%, 11 through 18, and 0.5%, 19 and 20. Dynamic compression, for those of you who don't know, simply means that if there are people that are not qualified at a particular level, that commission gets passed up. So all that commission still gets paid back out into the field to the folks that are helping to build and grow EazyBot. All right, so let's look at this as an example. Still taking the number 4, and we're only using 10 of the 20 levels of SSF potential earnings in this hypothetical example. Again, this is hypothetical, but here, keep in mind, this is monthly earnings that we're showing you here. SSF gets paid every single day into your wallet. We're going to look at what a monthly earning is. If you had 4 bots on level 1 that were averaging $20 in SSF per bot per month. That's $4 in commission. Nothing to write home or get excited about, but it just got the ball rolling. And so now we've got the ball rolling. Let's assume that we can duplicate this throughout your entire organization, at least to the next 10 levels. And what that looks like if you did this in a perfect way, you would be over $1 million a month in earning potential. Guys, if you had a 10% success rate, over $100,000, and at 1%, still over $10,000. And again, this is why we say you can accelerate your earning potential. Take a portion of what you're earning through the EazyBot affiliate plan, put it back into your exchange account so that EazyBot's trading and compounding those earnings for you. And now you've got two really powerful engines that are working simultaneously to move you towards your financial goals. All right, on our third way that you can earn is through something called SSF matching bonus. This is just a big way of us saying thank you for getting this ball rolling. And what it means is that you are getting a matching bonus of 3 or 2% on folks on your level 1 through 5. On level 1, you're going to get 3% of whatever their SSF earnings were. So if somebody earned $10,000, you're going to earn 3% of that specific to their SSF. And same thing on levels 2, 3, and 4. So this can be really powerful. You may not be person that's going to build the biggest team, but you may have some folks that are within your organization that are just going to go gangbusters. They've got huge networks, they've built big teams before, and so you've got an opportunity to be able to tap in. All right, speaking of tapping in, there is no greater opportunity for you to be able to tap in than to be a part of our Founders Club. It's only available to the first 1,000 members, and the qualifications are absolutely doable. You can do this. Sponsor 3 members who upgrade to either advanced or VIP, and obviously VIP plus qualifies as well. And they must be trading at least $600. Help those 3 people duplicate your effort. Do the same thing and help them each. Then go out and sponsor and help 3 people upgrade to advanced VIP or VIP plus, and make sure that they get started trading. As we don't just want folks upgrading, we want them trading. We want them to really understand what we're doing here and what the power of EazyBot is, and that they're going to experience that when they're trading. And then you must be personally subscribed to VIP or VIP plus and be trading at least $600 yourself. And if you accomplish these 3 things and you're one of the first 1,000 people to do it, then you will be able to share in a bonus pool that represents 5% of all the company revenue. Essentially, it gives you an opportunity to get paid like an owner, the way an investor or an owner gets paid. You're getting paid on all the revenue, top line revenue of the company. And now imagine a company in the crypto space that has a product that works, that generates revenue on a consistent basis, constantly growing members month over month, day after day. Do you want a piece of that company? Somebody asked, Emmanuel asked a few moments ago about going public. We may never go public, but this is an opportunity for you to be able to earn essentially very similar to a company that maybe pays out dividends on a public market. So guys, if you're not already qualified for Founders Club, there's plenty of space as of today, but EazyBot is growing in leaps and bounds, and it will absolutely take off when the market turns and people are all excited about crypto again. The growth will be absolutely supersonic. So make sure that you're positioning yourself to get qualified for Founders Club. The answer to the question, can you make money with crypto, is absolutely yes, you can. You can do it passively, you can do it consistently, and it can be easy. Use EazyBot as a tool and you'll experience that. Share EazyBot with others and you'll absolutely experience that.